Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Kiss Love Hair. All right, this is the packaging that we have for today. Let's get into it. I got a pair of HD wig caps. I got a pair of lashes, a branded Kiss Love elastic headband, this rat tail comb. Okay, I got this like these multicolored streaks here. I guess you could probably add them to your wig. I don't know, but yeah, I got that. I got a edge brush and comb, a razor blade, one of these clips, which is great for sectioning your hair whenever you like styling it and stuff. And then finally I got the, oh wow, we have inches today. This is 26 inches. Oh my gosh, this is some kinky straight hair. Let's get into it. So this is Kiss Love's 26 inches kinky straight 6x4.5 lace closure wear and go wig. Okay, first of all, I've never got on this texture with like this length. It's really long. I feel like it's very true to length. Super full. Like, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? The density of this is also very impressive. It's 250% in density. All right, really love that. And it's full to the tip. Full to the tip. Beautiful. It's also a 1B. It's also a 1B natural color. And you guys know the vibes with these wigs. It's a slip on and go. It is glueless. It is highly beginner friendly, very easy. Like if you have little to no experience with wigs and you want to try a wig out, this is your wig to select. Like it is even me that has been wearing wig for a very long time love these wigs now because they're very convenient and they look very realistic. The hairline of this is pre-plucked, it is pre-bleached, the lace that is, and it's pre-tinted. You see that? Stunning. Now inside of the cap looks like this. It's also a medium cap, by the way. All right, so you have an adjustable elastic band. All right, so you can go ahead and you know, adjust it to wherever you like it to be as tight or as loose as you want it on your head. Also with this elastic band, they ensure to make the inside of it like have this silicone vibe, so it really helps to keep the adjustment that you apply to it. All right, also there are adjustable straps in the back of the cap, all right, to help it to stay on your head better. And there's actually no combs in this one, but the bands will do just fine. Once you have this, trust and believe, that's all you need for your glueless wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead, slip this on my head. This is how I adjusted my elastic band. So that's how it looks once I slip it on. First thing I can tell you is it's a 6x4.5, as I said. You can definitely tell the difference in terms of size. You have way more space as opposed to your average 5x5 lace closure wig. It looks good so far. It's very snug. Before I move on to do anything at all with the wig, let me go ahead and give it that shake test so you guys can see. Perfect. It didn't slip, it didn't move. It's looking great. You can feel free to switch your parting up. You don't have to feel confined to just doing a center part. You can do a side part, and you see how like natural and realistic the lace looks. That's because it's bleached and tinted so nicely. It looks very realistic. See that? That looks good. Looks great. So you have a lot of space working with, even though it's just a closure. So what I'm gonna do is just go at the top, you know, my usual, and I'm gonna use my hot comb to get this as laid as I possibly can. So I know you guys see that there's a little bit of cast in the hairline. I'm gonna fix that in a few. You know what, let me just go ahead and fix that first, because that's always my order that I do things in anyways. I'm gonna just press the powder in. Absolutely no adhesive or anything. I'm gonna keep the whole pull back vibe, pull back look. So this is the part where after I apply my powder, I pretty much just go in with my elastic band to melt, or well, press down the lace with the product. What it does is just kind of help the powder to kind of just sit into the lace a little bit more. That's actually, it works for me. So I just usually tie it down. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna run through the top with my hot comb to get it as flat as possible, and I'm going to run through the entire wig when I'm done with my flat iron to get it nice and straight. This is such a vibe.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you.
Guys, so this is it. Oh my gosh, I knew this would look so good after I straighten it. Like, you see this movement? 26 inches of goodness. This, if you want that textured but silky vibe, I don't know how to explain it, this hair is perfect. It's like, I don't know, it's moving like butter. Okay, you see that? But it has that realistic natural hair blowout vibe to it. If you're that kind of girly, you're gonna love this wig. You're gonna love this wig. And what's gonna make you love it even more is this. Absolutely no adhesive, none. Kiss Love hair, you did your thing on this. The quality, really nice, very convenient. You see what I'm saying about the lace? Doing that little trick with the elastic band around the hairline really helped, and I highly recommend you guys doing that. The hairline looks so natural and believable. It's a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Barely any shedding, by the way. This type of texture, I always say, it just feels so strong. You know, usually I don't get a lot of shedding with these type of wigs, and super full, 250% in density. Yeah, it's giving, it's giving. So you guys know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead, check that out. All the specifications will be listed down below as well, you know. So shout out to Kiss Love Hair for this gorgeous look today. I feel like this length and the texture is perfect for the winter time. Right now it's really cold, so yeah, go ahead, get you this bomb wig if you're looking to try out something different, if you're not used to doing a texture like this. And I'm telling you, you're going to be pleased, okay? You are going to be pleased. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in the